came in the place of the E. Then its sounds become short E, that is E, E. Again, there is a many sounds with the short E, that is cream, team. And again, goes out, and the toughy Y is come because single E become so frightened, and the toughy Y came, and toughy Y it's give the power again, and its sound becomes long E again. E is generally come at the end of the word, that is money. E, money. Like hockey, hockey. There is one activity in this, the child pick up the strips of the name and put this on the correct box, like hockey, steam, E sound, steam, like team, E for sleep. Again, there is short E for leaf. There is a long E for eat, feet. There is one word that is
Preet, time over, Preet. Next.
Okay, 1 minute, ma'am. This long E again do one magical power with all the vowels, and it's do the magic with this, like Eve magic become magical E do there's a magic, and it sounds like Eve. It's become Eve. And when the her the magic Eve, and then become the magic, and it's become the hair. Okay. So there is a long E sound is there. E, and the magical E. Thank you very much.
Okay, next participant, Nandini. Please unmute yourself. Preet, you can mute yourself again. Nandini.
Ma'am, doing it. Yes. Start now. Hello, everyone. I am going to explain. I am going to tell you about alternative spelling rule, and I am taking the R family sound, and R sound comes like that. Putting something in the mixture and grinding and blending, and the sounds come like that. And there is spelling code for R sound. We begin with first spelling code. Please have a look on the first spelling code. And the word blending words from the R sound are burn, burn, heard, heard, turn, turn, church, church, serve, serve. Now we'll move to the next R family sound that makes with the R sound, and it is a similar sound. The blending words from the sound: power, shower, tower, longer, toaster, flower. These are the R controlled words. These are the R controlled sound, because all the R comes after the vowel sound. Now come to the next R sound.
Please be fast. You have to take the time limit. Be fast.
Okay, this is R sound. It is also gives the same sound, R sound, but the vowel is I, bird, bird, third, third, shirt, shirt, bird, bird, skirt, squirm. That's it. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Over, ma'am.
Yeah. Yati, please unmute yourself. Yati.
Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to do the long A. I need to do the screen sharing, ma'am.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I'm allowing share screen, so you all can share the screen. Okay.
all right. So today we're going to see something. Okay. All right. I'm going to show you some things. Okay. But before that, before I show you on the screen, I'm going to show you what is this. I have a tray. This is a tray. Okay. What is this? Hair. And what is this? Tape. Now let us. Okay, let us see something now. Okay. This is a tray. This is pen. I have a pen in my bag. Pen. And this is tape. Tape. Now, did you see something when I said tray, tape, pen? One thing is common in them. And you know what is that? Long A. A. So, AY is making a sound of A. A dash E is making a sound of A, and AI is also making A. That is because when the friend A was walking and going, it met its other friend I. And together they started going. And when we know that when two vowels are walking, the first one makes a long sound. So it goes A, A, A. Then on the way, it met another friend. And that's why. So since A was loud, it continued its sound. A, 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 and it went away. And then you know something. This E has a magical power. So if the word A, there's a short sound A, the E comes and does a magic. It touches the A with the magic, and the A becomes A, and the E keeps quiet. It does magic and keeps quiet. So AY, AY, AI, and A-E, all of them together make a common long sound called A. Okay. Now let's see some words and you tell me. And you know one magic, you know one thing. The AI, the AI, it always is in the middle of the word. And AY, it doesn't like to stay in the middle. So it is always at the end. It is always at the end of the word. So now let's see, this is day. So what do you think, where will it fall? It will have AI, AY or A-E. Which of these three will make the long sound of day?
You can
AY.
box participant, all the participants, you can type in the chat box.
Yes. So what do you think? Day will have which long sound of AI, AY or A-E? Very good. Yes, AY, because AY always comes.
Time up.
Okay, I just explained the last thing. I will not do the arrows over here. But I'll just, I had two things that this is a dice game which I could play, or I would have the envelopes in which I would show or say the word and they would select the right envelopes. That's it.
Very well done. Very well done. So next, Payal, please unmute yourself, Payal.
Good evening, everyone. Everybody ready for the class? Okay. Now today, teacher is going to make you know writing today. Today, we are going to hear a story. And you know which story? The Or story. See, who is this? Snow White. Hey, this is Snow White. Snow White was walking in the forest. See the forest. Can you see the forest? Yes. Suddenly she saw 4 sisters. And the 4 sisters were O I, all, and AW. Oh, they were fighting with each other and they were saying, no, I sound. They say, I don't sound like you. I don't sound. Then Snow White said, why are you fighting, all sisters? I have a solution for you. And what was the solution? She removed her magic wand and said, abracadabra. And what did she have? She had this words. Everybody, what was the message? What was she trying to say? She said, where is the fight? Where is the confusion? When all of you sound the same. So the 4 sisters started holding hands and they were all happy and they started playing Ringa Ringa Roses.
Well done, well done. Very creative and beautiful resource. So let's move to the next. Please type your name in the chat box or you can directly unmute yourself. Hima Hari, okay. Please unmute yourself.
What, ma'am?
Are you ready?
Next, is it my turn?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, everybody. Okay, I hope, yes. So let's learn something new. So today I'm gonna teach you AI. Do you know what sound A and I, when they walk together, it makes a sound. A. Can you hear something? Keep your hand like this, everybody. Can you see everybody? A. Oh, you know, I come in 3 different ways. You want to see how it is? Let's see. Okay. Yes. So today's my topic is A and I. So AY, AI, AY. I come in 3 different ways. Okay. It is one of the alternative for long A. A. AI, A with magic E, and AY. So AI is one of the diphthong. You know what is a diphthong? Diphthong is a long vowel sound combined with 2 vowels. Okay, 2 vowels. And you know, when 2 vowels work together, the first one is like a wife. You know, we will be always bossy like that. The wife, the first vowel will be talking and the second vowel will sit quietly. Okay, so A and I, when it walks together, when they walk together, A will say the sound A and I will sit quietly. Okay, so diphthong contains 2 vowels that form one sound. It is not 2 sound, it forms one sound. So yes, so let's read some words. Will you read with me, everybody? Rain. Can you see everybody doing a finger counting? Take out your fingers. Let's see how many sounds it has. Okay, so 1 sound, 1 finger up. Next word. I'll show my red light. Can you see my red light? Snail. Snail. Next. Drain. Drain. Next. Claim. Claim. Trail. Trail. Next. Tail. Tail. Next
Well
word.
done, Hima, well done. So
Oh,
invite our next participant. Please unmute
thank you,
yourself.
ma'am.
Akshata.
Hi. Yeah.
Okay, Akshata, please start. Akshata.
Yes.
Ma'am, please remove my spotlight.
I already did. I think there's yeah. Okay, Hiral.
Hi.
Okay, Akshata is here. Fine. Akshata, you are
Yes.
not visible. Akshata, you are not visible. Your camera is turned off.
Okay.
Okay, don't be conscious. Yes, now you are visible. So please start.
Yeah. So, are you seeing my screen? Are you able to see my
Yes,
screen?
yes,
Yes.
yes.
So today we shall see what's the alternative of OU. Okay, we are already Shweta ma'am had taught us OU का sound होता है आओ. So now we shall see what's the alternative of OU. Okay, so OU का alternative होता है आओ, OW. Okay, OW भी OU का alternative है आओ. Okay. So the action goes like this. The child does like this, ow, after pinching her needle. So she will tell the sound, ow, okay, ow. So OWB, OU का alternative होता है, yes. So alternative of OU is OW makes the sound, ow. So first one is out, out. Similarly here also OW का sound both भी होता है ow. So owl. Similarly here first one out, loud. Here ow, how. In the first one ow, noun. And the next one is ow, noun. Next one is cloud, cloud. And ow, down. So alternative of OU is OW, ow. Okay, and here spelling rule is usually OU, ow comes in the middle and OW, ow comes in the ending. Usually it will come in the ending. So this is the spelling rule of OW, ow. Thank you.
Okay. Next. Well done, Akshata. Next. Okay, Hiral.
Ma'am, you can see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. And for me, everything is gone. I can't see anything. I don't know why. But if you can see me, I'll start presenting.
You are visible, but it's a blank on your screen. The screen is there, but that's blank.
No, I'm not presenting my screen, but I will be just having the visual, just the video.
Okay, so why you can remove the screen sharing. You can remove the screen sharing so that you are visible.
I'm seeing Akshata's screen.
Akshata, please kindly remove your screen. Yeah.
Okay, now I can see my screen, yes.
Yes.
So, welcome to my class today, my little ones. See, where are we heading today? See, where are we heading today? Today we are going to the I. We are going to a ice cream parlor. Not an ice cream parlor, but it's ice cream parlor. Yes. So we have seen our long I. The sound with the vowel digraphs, I and E makes the long sound I. Okay. And now let us find out which are the other friends that also make the same I sound. Let us see first here. This was I. When there is stuffy Y at the end of a word, it makes the sound I, like sky, try. Next is when there is a magic E at the end. Magic E. And it's I dash E. It makes the long sound I. Third one, fourth one. When there is a combination of spelling IGH in a word, it makes the sound I. Okay? So I'm going to present you my ice cream parlor today, and the children will play the game. Can you see? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flash some words Okay, and you have to guess which tub should I be putting my ice cream scoop into. Okay, the first one. Kite. Okay, which one should I be
Third
putting?
one.
Which one?
IE.
Okay, here comes my ice cream scoop. There it goes. And I'll be putting in third one. The next one. Read this. The children will be guessing which alternative sound it is, and they will be taking the scoop, and they'll be happy to do this activity. And they will see the word, they will match with the alternative sounds, alternative spellings, and they will put the scoops accordingly. Now they know it's P, I, pie with the combination of I, E. So they will take a scoop and place it in the IE combination. Now, when we are doing this activity online, what we can ask them to do is make some cups like this and have some paper balls with them. And maybe they can use a spoon whenever we read out a word with IE, pie. They will be happy to do this activity at home also online, right? Thank you. That's it, my activity for the day. Hope you all enjoyed it.
Extremely enjoyed. It was a wow activity, I must say. So participants will take a 5 minutes break and we'll be right back. Just after 5 minutes, please join again.